Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about a brand new work from home opportunity available in Canada. With that said, let's dive in. So I'm in love with this new business opportunity that's going to launch in the very first part of July of 2023. It's a brand new concept in the $458.2 billion collectibles and memorabilia industry. It's set up like some traditional network marketing platforms. The main difference is you don't have to be set up on auto ship. There's no major fees to get started. There's just a couple of different minor fees associated with it. But along with it, there's 8 different ways that you can earn. You can earn from retail sales, and of course you can earn from recruiting. I think this is gonna be massive. The collectibles industry is slated to grow to $1 trillion by as soon as 2030 to 2032 or so. The owner of the company has been collecting for about 40 years. He has 4 massive warehouses of collectibles ranging from the 1950s to 2000s, and he's adding to it all the time. He's been putting this business opportunity together for virtually 40 years. So there'll be all kinds of different collectibles ranging from sports cards to Raggedy Ann dolls to Barbie dolls, coins. There's eventually going to be classic cards, etc. I'd love to have you join the opportunity if it interests you. There'll be some contact information down in the description below, an email that you can reach out to me and get more info. Once I have my affiliate links or websites, I'll put them down there as well. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.